good morning everybody, or afternoon or evening or wherever it is you are. Okay, today I'm going to be testing out the Caster's Choice mica powders for the first time. I'm going to put those upside down actually, because this is the colours that I've chosen. I needed to do some oak burr blanks, so I've just prepared those in it, and this is the colours I've chosen for each. I thought we'd go with 3 colours in each of these, and I'm just going to be using the mica powders. Sunshine Yellow, Crazy Purple and Phoenix Orange. This one is Cobalt Blue, Orange, Blaze Orange and Teal. So we'll see what they look like. So keep watching.
On her way to the mill, proud and all out. But where are you now? Misunderstood, said she would help the ones that she could. No glimpse of doubt. Years have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. We've been at the top. We're finally home.
Okay, I thought I'd quickly come back. I'm going to leave that bit in the video where I spilt everything. What a mess I'd made of myself. But anyway, these are quite flimsy, you see, but I do like that for when they're pouring in. I quite like them to be a little bit flimsier. But yeah, there's always a risk that you'll spill them over. But I did quite a good save, I thought. And alcohol wipes are great for wiping up after. So just a little tip for you.
What a release to find one's peace. To never be less. Now years have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. We've been at the top. Have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. We've been at the top. We're finally home. We're finally home.
Okay, let's get these out the mould. I've actually clipped them all already so that they're a bit easier, and we'll have a look on the underside. And then I shall pop some photos up after of them, and that's the underneath. Quite like that. That would actually be nice with the honeycomb, because it almost looks like a rust. And that's the other ones there. So I'm going to go and get some pictures up. Get them cut, and then I shall get some photos up and we'll have a look to see what they look like. So this is the first of their Caster's Choice, and so far so good, really pleased.